Don't have a cow, understanding English idioms. Hello, dear viewers. Today we're diving into the colorful world of English idioms. Idioms can be tricky but also fun, and they are an essential part of sounding like a native speaker. In this video, we'll unwrap the meaning behind the phrase, have a cow. So, if you've ever wondered what farm animals have to do with expressing emotions, keep watching. When someone says, "Don't have a cow," they're not discussing farming tips. They're actually telling someone not to overreact or get overly upset about something. It's a way to say, calm down, or don't make a big deal out of it. The phrase is believed to have originated in the mid-20th century America. Some say it might be linked to the extreme difficulty and discomfort of literally giving birth to a calf, which is obviously not a human experience. So, telling someone not to have a cow became a humorous way of saying their reaction is as overblown as giving birth to a bovine would be for a person. To help you understand how to use this phrase, let's look at some examples. When he saw the scratch on his car, I thought he was going to have a cow. I'm a little late, but my mom is going to have a cow when she finds out. Notice how the phrase adds a light-hearted tone to the situation? It suggests the reaction is more intense than the situation warrants. It's important to know that have a cow is quite informal and colloquial. Use it with friends or in casual settings, but avoid it in formal situations. Also, be cautious with the tone, as it can come off as dismissive if someone's concerns are genuine and serious. And there you have it. Now you know what it means when someone says, "Don't have a cow." It's a quirky, light-hearted way to tell someone to relax. I hope you found this explanation helpful and that you'll enjoy sprinkling your conversations with idioms like this one. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.